Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nutribullet blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Nutribullet Special Edition Pro 900 in matte black. This model is a great entry point if you want a powerful blender with a sleek, modern design. With 900 watts of power, it can easily handle tough ingredients like nuts, kale, and frozen fruits, making it a strong contender in the mid-range blender category. It's also very compact, so it won't take up much space on your counter, which is a big plus for small kitchens. The package includes a 32-ounce colossal cup, two 24-ounce cups with flip-top lids, and even a handy recipe guide to get you started. In terms of design, the matte black finish gives it a premium look, while the stainless steel extractor blade ensures durability. The build quality is solid and feels robust despite being lightweight. Performance-wise, it excels at blending and nutrient extraction, turning everyday ingredients into smooth, sippable superfoods in under 60 seconds. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just twist off the blade, rinse it with soap and water, and toss the cups in the dishwasher. The Nutribullet Pro 900 is perfect for people who want a no-fuss blender that delivers on power and simplicity. However, it lacks some advanced features like multiple speed settings or presets, and its price is not listed, making it harder to gauge its value proposition. Still, it's a solid performer for smoothies and quick blends. If you're looking for a stylish and efficient blender, this one's worth considering. At number 4, we have the Nutribullet Personal Blender NBR0601, which is the budget option in this lineup. Priced at $64.37, this is the original Nutribullet model that made the brand famous for its simplicity and effectiveness. With 600 watts of power, it's not the most powerful in the lineup, but it's more than capable of blending fruits, vegetables, and liquids into smooth, nutritious blends. It's ideal for first-time blender buyers or anyone looking for an affordable, compact option. This model features a simple push, twist, and blend operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The 24-ounce cup is perfect for single servings, and the included to-go lid is a nice touch for those who want to take their smoothies on the road. The build quality is solid for the price, with dishwasher-safe components that make cleanup quick and hassle-free. It's also lightweight and portable, making it a good choice for smaller kitchens or even office use. While it delivers great value for its price, the 600-watt motor may struggle with tougher ingredients like hard nuts or very fibrous greens. Additionally, it lacks advanced features such as multiple speed settings or larger capacity options. However, if you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills blender that gets the job done, the Nutribullet Personal Blender is a fantastic choice. Taking the third spot on our list is the Nutribullet Pro 900-watt Personal Blender in Champagne. Priced at $87.93, this model strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. With a 900-watt motor, it's a significant upgrade from the 600-watt version, allowing it to tackle tougher ingredients like seeds, frozen fruits, and fibrous vegetables with ease. It also comes with a generous 13-piece accessory kit, including two 24-ounce mugs, sippy lids, lip rings, and even a recipe book to inspire your healthy lifestyle. The design is sleek and modern, with a champagne finish that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The stainless steel extractor blade is highly durable and does an excellent job of breaking down ingredients into smooth, nutrient-packed blends. It's simple to use with a push, twist, and blend mechanism, and most smoothies can be whipped up in under 60 seconds. Cleanup is equally effortless thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. This model is ideal for anyone who wants a more powerful blender without breaking the bank. While it lacks the versatility of full-size countertop models, it's perfect for smoothies, shakes, and quick blends. One drawback is its single-speed operation, which limits your control over texture. However, for the price and performance, the Nutribullet Pro 900 offers excellent value for money and is a great choice for daily use. At number 2, we have the Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200W NBF 50500. If you're looking for versatility, this is the model for you. Priced at $116.95, it offers the best of both worlds with a 64-ounce pitcher for multi-serve blends and smaller cups for single servings. Powered by a 1,200-watt motor, this blender can handle everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and sauces. It also features 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, giving you full control over your blends. The design is sturdy and well-built, with a dark gray finish that blends well with modern kitchen aesthetics. The Easy Twist extractor blade is made of stainless steel and designed for cyclonic action, ensuring thorough blending. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The package includes a 64-ounce pitcher, a 32-ounce cup, a 24-ounce handled cup, and 2 to-go lids, making it versatile enough for both family and individual use. While it's slightly bulkier than personal blenders, the added functionality justifies the size. This model is perfect for families or anyone who wants a blender that can do it all. The only downside is the higher price point and the larger footprint, which may not suit smaller kitchens. However, if you're serious about blending and want a device that can handle a variety of tasks, the Nutribullet Blender Combo is a top-notch choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender NB5500, priced at $129.95. This is the ultimate single-serve blender in the Nutribullet lineup. With a 1,200-watt motor, it's the most powerful model designed for personal use, effortlessly handling tough ingredients and delivering silky smooth results. What sets it apart is its quiet operation, thanks to a specialized design that reduces noise levels, a big win for early risers who don't want to wake the household. The Ultra boasts a sleek, compact design that takes up minimal counter space. It features a glow interface with 2 blending options, an automated smoothie cycle, and a pulse mode for manual control. The blending cups are made with Tritan Renew, a durable material with 50% recycled content, making this model eco-friendly as well. The Rapid Extractor Blade, coated in titanium, ensures longevity and quick blending, and it comes with a 5-year limited warranty, a testament to its durability. This blender is ideal for professionals, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who wants top-tier performance in a personal blender. The only drawbacks are its higher price and the absence of a multi-serve pitcher, limiting its use to single servings. However, if you're looking for the best personal blender on the market, the Nutribullet Ultra is worth every penny. Its combination of power, design, and quiet operation makes it the standout choice in this lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.